In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize text boxes in Google Docs. This simple yet effective tool can add a unique element to your documents, making them more visually appealing and better at conveying information. First, you'll need to visit docs.google.com, which is the main platform for Google Docs. If you haven't already, log in using your Google or Gmail account. This step is important because it ensures access to all your existing files and features. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Docs homepage. Here, you have the option to either open an existing document or start fresh with a new blank document. For those who are new to creating documents, you might want to start with a fresh page to follow along with this walkthrough. Once you're inside your document, your next move is to locate the Insert option in the menu at the top of the page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing. Here, you'll see the option for New. Selecting New will open up a drawing dialog box, which provides a space to create and customize your text box. Within this drawing interface, you'll see a small icon resembling a square with a T in it. This is the text box tool. Click on this icon to start writing your text. You can click and drag in the drawing window to create a text box of the size you prefer, and then simply start typing your desired text into this box. Customization options are also available within the drawing dialog. You're not limited to the default settings. You can change the font style and size to better suit the aesthetic of your document. Additionally, you can alter the text color to make certain parts stand out and adjust the border thickness of your text box for emphasis. For an interesting twist, you might want to make your text vertical, which can be particularly useful for design layouts or when creating labels. To achieve this, simply click and drag one of the sidelines of your text box towards the opposite side, essentially rotating the box to make your text run vertically. It's a neat trick that can add a stylish aspect to your document. Once you're satisfied with how your text box looks, click Save and Close at the top right corner of the drawing dialog box. Your newly created text box will now be inserted into your Google Doc at the location where your cursor was blinking. Don't hesitate to play around with these features to better tailor them to your liking. The flexibility of Google Docs means there are numerous possibilities for creativity and presentation. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to make your documents more engaging. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to explore and make the most out of these features.